So PTI builds and delivers power transmission transformers for major utilities throughout the world. Anybody who requests or we win the quotes on, we deliver for them. The crane that we had was close to 100 years old. We were the oldest in Manitoba, and it had well outlived its lifespan. It was time to upgrade.
The project did pose quite a challenge. We had to remove the existing crane. There was not enough ceiling height to perform the removal and installation from the inside of the building. So we ended up partnering with some contractors, had a 20-foot by 20-foot hole cut in the roof, and used a 300-ton crawler crane from the outside of the building, reached up and over and through the roof to perform the lifts. This outdated system was not only inefficient, but posed significant safety risk for employees and the production process. Maintaining production schedules became a constant challenge. How do we cope with unexpected delays? Custom fabrication, machining of parts became quite a challenge. We installed a new 120-ton crane with two 60-ton hoists, and we had variable frequency drives on all motions, including the lift.
The whole process for this particular project was executed very well. Really don't have a lot of complaints. There were some hiccups along the way, which you can only expect on every single project, but one this large, you can't not have one. And it was handled professionally and efficiently by everyone that was involved, and to me it was a big success.